how to turn on or turn off the clock on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on wallpaper and style. In here, tap on the lock screen, it's the one on the left hand side. Then at the top, tap on the clock. Now if you want to disable the clock, just tap on no clock and then tap on done. And this is what it looks like on your lock screen when there are no clock. To turn it on, we go back into the lock screen and then tap on clock. In here, you can choose a clock style. There are different styles which you could choose from. You can also choose the display and analog clock and then tap on done. And if you go back to your lock screen, this is what it looks like. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.